Now, what are the challenges in an integrated digital marketing campaign? The first challenge is that how to select the right channel and the tactics for each of these channels. Now, this is based upon the different type of businesses. Let's again assume you are running an e-commerce again, which is selling cameras and high-end camera stuff. So you know that these people are going to be there on Instagram because being a pictorial platform, that is something which a lot of people use. A lot of photographers use Instagram. So finding these channels, understanding about these channels in tandem with your business is a big problem. Number two, what will be the flow of launching a campaign? Let's say you found somebody for your website, for your photography or videography website via Instagram. Then after that, what are you going to do? Let's say a person showed an interest in buying a certain camera. Then what? So after that, it could be remarketing ads, it could be email.